Hey y'all, morning. Kelly and I have made a decision last year about going full time, and we're gonna video the process of getting the house ready, getting it on the market, and getting it sold, and the stuff we got to go through. And one thing I'm gonna do today is take the containers, our food storage containers, and put them in a box. And as we use them, we're going to pull them out of the box and we're going to put them back in the cupboard. And the stuff that we don't use that stays in the box, well, we're going to get rid of that. Because we've got stuff up in the cupboard that we probably haven't used in nine years that we've been here. And if you're like us, you got containers that don't have no lids, or you got lids and they ain't got no containers. And I hate trying to put stuff away, and the bowls are falling out, the lids are falling out, and it's aggravating and frustrating. And a lot of times I just say, here, you put it away, and have her put it away, because she don't want to go through and deal with that stuff. But I'm going to do that today. Kelly probably won't like it. She'll be upset, but that's just one less thing that we've got to worry about, one less thing we've got to do. We're going to do that with some stuff we got in the pantry too. We got some containers in the pantry, and I'm going to show you a picture of the stuff, and we get it squared away, and we'll let you know how it turns out too. So hopefully she won't be too upset. These are the boxes right here. There's a couple of them that I'm going to go ahead and get made up and start putting the containers in. Well, this is the cupboard above the sink. What a mess. You know how many times I've been so aggravated and frustrated trying to put lids on the bottom right end and having them fall out, and as I'm trying to find lids for the containers and that, oh my Lord, aggravating. But I'm gonna take all that out. As you can tell, we definitely got more lids than what we've got containers in there. But go ahead and pull all that out, put it in a box. As we need it, we'll pull it out, put it in the cupboard. And here's the pantry. We got some more bowls and containers up there. Go ahead and pull all them out too, and put them in the boxes, and as we need them, we'll pull them out. It may take a while. I know we use them big bowls like the purple, pink, and green, but we're gonna go ahead and pull them out anyway, and we're gonna keep it fair and pull everything out. And if we need them, well, we'll use them and we'll put them back. Hey y'all, we get ready to put some boxes together. Some moving boxes. There's two. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Man, I just got thinking about something. Kelly probably ain't gonna trust me to be able to leave me at home by myself anymore. But we'll see how it goes. Love you, Kel. It'll be a whole lot easier to go through these lids in this doggone box than it is up here. I'll try not to let any of them fall out as I'm doing it, because boy, you talk about frustration and aggravation. No, I think we got doggone coffee mugs we need here that we ain't got the mugs for. Little lid, I don't know if we got the containers for that. I know we've got the for that, but when's the last time we used it? Y'all know what that one is? What's that got on there? It looks like it's got KFC. Get rid of all these. Well, not getting rid of it. You're gonna move it, and if you use it, there it goes. There it is. That's what I don't like. When we get into our RV, motorhome, Class A, man, I'm gonna have all this room. I'm gonna have to take this fences. Lordy. I was hoping this is gonna hold the bowls and everything. Look, that's just gonna, that box just gonna hold the lids. What we got there? Looks like we've got hamburger patty makers. Good old-fashioned Tupperware. Guess I'm gonna have to set up a camera somehow in video while I'm gone, so that when she first opens this thing up, we can get a response on it. I'll try to figure out a way to do that. I hope I can. Good night. Anybody got a clue what that is? I definitely don't. What's that thing? Is that a container for putting grapes in? Almost looks like a pizza box, a pizza container. Didn't know grapes come in triangle. Good night. What's that big old thing for? I know what that is. That's one of them seal breakers for Tupperware pitcher. Had that back, good night, 30, 40 something years ago. And we got it up here. Hey. Lids. Containers. Lids. Containers. Pretty sure we got way more lids than we got containers. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put all the lids in here. Nope, that's a container. That don't belong in there. That don't belong in there. Look, here's one that ain't even used. Still on the rack. More lids. And don't get me wrong, I've used a bunch of these containers for my lunch, but as we use them, let's put them back up there. Oh. There we go. Got more lids up there or not, do we? course, as we get stuff out, we'll go ahead and wash it. Well, oh, I see some more lids there. Doggone video camera makes a pretty good periscope. See what's up above there. Alrighty then. I'll let you know what it's like. Again, that box right there, I was hoping was going to be able to do both the lids and the containers. That's just a box of lids. Definitely don't have that many containers. Well, here it is. We'll see what it looks like as we start to fill it back up. As we find the containers we need with the lids that go with it, then we'll start putting it back up. That's just that much less stuff we got to take with us. We got to get rid of it sometime. That's a big relief for me, but we'll see how Kelly takes it. I love her dearly, but she might not like me. That's one thing about it, we always say that we like each other at times, but we always love each other. Yeah, today Kelly's gone up to the church to take some classes she needs to be able to teach up there. She got doing her continuing ed, and today I decided I'm going to take and clean out the cabinets and our storage containers. We got so many lids it ain't funny, and then she's done now, so it's time for me to go get her. Can't wait to see what she says. We'll find out here in a little bit. I'll wait to get Kelly almost there at the church. Kind of a little apprehensive, see what she's got to say. Hope she don't get too upset. I'll just be one more step closer to going full time, getting the house sold. I hope she's as excited about it as I am. Can always hope, right? But we'll see what she's got to say. It's going to be a process, and we got to start sometime, and we've already started, but we made another step, or I made another step anyway. But we'll put her back on here in a little bit. So she's getting in the car, I'll start talking to her, kind of feel her out, see how she's doing, see how she enjoyed her day. She might be in a good mood because she's supposed to get done at 12 o'clock, and she called me about 11:30 and told me that she's done. So I got done early. That might put her in a good mood. Find out. Kind of nervous now. Uh-oh. This might be her. Ah, geez, it's her. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Here goes.
What? What are you doing? Why are you?
Okay.
Where'd you put all the stuff in?
Pulled it all out and put it in boxes. Pulled the lids out, pulled the bowls out, so as we need them, as we use them, we'll take them out and we'll use them, and we'll put them up in the cupboard. So the ones we don't use
Oh.
will be the ones that we'll have to get rid of. So that's the one less thing we've got to do. I'm working on it.
So where is the box gonna sit?
Well, the boxes right now are sitting. Boxes right now are sitting over there.
I was wondering why all those were in there.
Yeah. Those I got them out of the pantry. Cleaned out the ones in the pantry too, in that back corner.
Yeah.
This is the only cabinet I've done so far.
Oh.
Because while you was looking over there, I was thinking, oh, you looking over there to see if there's anything missing over there.
I know, right? Because I walked in the other day, the crock pot was gone. I thought you tossed it.
Oh my God, it's been gone for a while now.
No, I mean, the day that I
Oh,
walked
okay.
in and it was gone. But you were in a cranky mood that day. I was not going to approach that subject. Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. I'm just wondering, what did you throw in the trash?
I threw nothing away. In all honesty, I didn't. You can go look in the trash. I didn't throw nothing away.
This is why we don't have lids to bowls, because you get frustrated because you can't find, well, we do need a better lid system, because you open the door and bam, the lid's full.
And that's exactly what I said. Frustrated and aggravated.
And then you get in a really bad mood and you toss the lids, and then we come up with bowls that don't have lids because...
Oh no, it was the other way around. Because we had a buttload of lids and no bowls.
Oh, was that the... Okay.
Yep. So...
Okay.
So that's what I was telling you about today. You got a video to do. I've been doing cuts and splices of... That's what I'm going to do. Kelly's gone. I said, Kelly, she's not going to trust me to be alone by myself anymore.
Well, I mean, I went to Africa and I came back and the whole pantry was cleared out.
Yep. Well, it was put back together.
It was put back together better because you put
them two racks in.
Racks in there, yeah.
Yep. So.
I think I'm going to leave again. I'll be back in a couple of hours. See what I come back to.
Well, I can do more.
Right.
Just don't want you to get too upset.
I'm not being, I mean, just don't throw my crock pot away.
No, don't throw your crock pot away.
That's something that's going with us.
Okay. All right, then. Say bye.
Bye.
See y'all.